Hi everyone. Today I want to give you an introduction into NeoLoad Web. It's the new web portal we have that you can view both tests that are currently running as well as analyze tests that have completed. And it's really helpful for being able to collaborate across teams and different roles. Right now from the home page, as you can see, I'm showing a running test currently. And so if I click into that test, you can see here on the overview tab that I can see how I'm ramping users. I've got some information around my average request response time, number of requests per second. We also have the ability to filter the amount of time you're watching. So it's going to repaint the graphs, and we have 3 different options here. When I'm ready to kind of do a deeper analysis of the test, I'm also able to drill in and create the dashboards. So just like you're used to with the NeoLoad controller, building out the graphs for the front end and the back end, it works the same way. So here in the top left, I can see that I have the CPU user percentage on a Linux system, as well as the average page response time and the number of users. So 3 different performance metrics being overlaid on a single graph. And then over here on the right, I have the memory free for the server that's hosting that application where this test was run. What's really nice is I also have the ability to take my running test and compare that against a baseline. So let's say now I want to see how is memory doing relative to the test that's already been completed. I can come in here, drill into my monitors, look into Linux and memory, and then just drag and drop this over. And now I'm comparing a running test to a test that was previously run. I'll just go ahead and change the color of this so it's a little easier for you to see. So there you can see now, here's the test that's currently running, and purple would be the baseline, and so it's very easy for me to compare a live test to a test that has been completed. In addition to building out all of the dashboards for the front end things like response time and number of users and all of the back end metrics on the different layers of the application, I would also have the ability to actually view a test that was being ran from some type of continuous integration server, like a Jenkins or another one. So that's not something that's currently available in the GUI. And then finally, I can manage my users as well. So I could come in here and say, let's go ahead and add in a user. And here you can see we've got a whole bunch of different users. So it's very user driven, and each user would have the ability to create their own dashboards and graphs and share those across the different roles. So really helpful for collaboration. Thank you.